Hi, my name is Shayna from WTI.
If you're looking for a countertop air fryer, then look no further than the Instant Vortex 2-quart air fryer mini. For a long time, I was in the market for an air fryer, and I wanted one that would fit my countertop and not take up too much room. And this air fryer did not disappoint. This air fryer may be mini, but it sure is mighty. I always love a 2-in-1 product, but this air fryer kicks it up a notch because it's a 4-in-1. Not only does it air fry, but it also bakes, roasts, and reheats. It makes preparing meals so much easier. And this air fryer has this EvenCrisp technology, which is an advanced technology, and it allows the airflow to go from top to bottom so that your food, especially if you're baking and air frying, it comes out perfectly golden and crispy and tender. My tater tots definitely came out golden and crispy. This baking feature is amazing as well. It bakes really fast, so I like to set the baking time a few minutes shorter. And I love how it bakes the perfect cookie. Well, at least my perfect cookie, which is golden brown, a soft and chewy center, and crispy on the edge. So if you're looking for a really cute, fun colored air fryer, then this is one for you.
And that's my point of view.